15 tips to help you book the best hotel in Tokyo. Today we'll compare hotels near Tokyo Station and Shibuya, the two best places to stay in Tokyo for first-time visitors. I'll share tips on how to choose the best hotel for your next trip to Japan, highlight the best neighborhoods, and booking tips that'll save you money and time. Let's get started! I booked this hotel for my friend's first trip to Japan. I wanted us right in the middle of all the action. This is the Hotel Indigo in Shibuya. Tip number 1. Choose a hotel on the Yamanote Line that also has walkable options. If you plan to hop around Tokyo, stay near the Yamanote Rail Line, which is a circular track that will connect you to all the key spots in Tokyo. The Yamanote Rail Line is actually only one of dozens of different metro, subway, and rail lines in Tokyo. You can get pretty much anywhere using public transportation. But what's great about staying in Shibuya is, even if we were too tired to go far, we still had lots to explore right here, day and night. We were minutes from all the Tokyo action, walking distance to huge shopping malls, food, clubs, and a 2-minute walk to Shibuya Station. It's also important to know that public transportation in Tokyo stops around midnight, so if you want to bar hop or enjoy the nightlife, make sure it's walking distance or you'll be using a taxi. Tip number 2. Hotel breakfast can make your day easier and healthier. Starting your day with an accessible, nutritious meal is important since you'll most likely be hitting upwards of 10,000 to 20,000 steps per day. Finding a breakfast spot in Japan before 10 a.m. can be a little tough. And while you can grab food from the convenience store, I suggest opting for a balanced meal with plenty of vegetables and protein to boost your energy and immune system throughout your trip. A lot of visitors end up experiencing a lack of fiber from meals in Japan. Even though the typical Japanese diet has loads of vegetables, it's a little different for tourists who are super excited to eat the best ramen, tempura, tonkatsu, and sushi. That's why it was great having unlimited access to fruits and vegetables during breakfast. The food in Japan is going to be amazing, so be sure to take care of your stomach while you're here. Our room is on the 20th floor. The hotel itself occupies a huge multi-use building. The hotel lobby where you check in was actually on the 12th floor. The 11th floor has a hotel restaurant, the 3rd floor has a cafe called Shibuya, and on the 1st floor, you'll have a bunch of convenient shops like a mini Don Quixote, gongcha, food spots, a bakery, and much more. Tip number 3. Scope out walkable places near your hotel to get food and supplies. You never know if you'll get too sick or get too tired to go sit down somewhere to eat. So being able to walk and pick up food and necessary items may be a lifesaver. Our room had a king bed and a bathtub in the shower. If I'm traveling during winter time, nothing beats a good soak at the end of the day. You'll see that Japanese bathrooms in general are amazing. Tip number 4. Experience Japanese bathing culture. I recommend picking up some bath salts from a pharmacy or Don Quixote and try different kinds every night. You can also look out for hotels that have a shared bathhouse or onsen as an amenity. Those are also a great experience and pretty common in Tokyo if you look around. You'll notice that a lot of hotels in Japan will provide pajamas. It's convenient, but the sizes are generally on the smaller side, and the quality will differ from hotel to hotel. It's up to you if you want to pack light and leave your own pajamas at home. Tip number 5. Have a rest day during your vacation. A lot of people will tell you that the hotel you book is just a place to sleep, but I highly recommend taking one day to rest your body. Because from the sudden increase in activity, juggling the language difference and navigation, it's going to be exhausting. Japan, let alone Tokyo, will take a lifetime to explore. It'll be impossible to see everything in one trip, so I suggest making the most out of the top activities you want to do and really enjoying the moment doing it. Don't have anxiety over missing out or not planning the perfect itinerary. I promise you, your trip will be amazing nonetheless. And that's the Hotel Indigo in Shibuya. Bonus hotel. When we went to a Japanese baseball game, we stayed at a local hotel chain called the Mitsui Garden in Shinjuku. This is a solid hotel as the price-to-quality ratio is very good. Tip number 6. Check official hotel websites for discounts. When booking the Mitsui Garden, I found that if I booked directly through the Japanese website, I could save 3,000 yen, and that was a much better price than Booking.com or Agoda. When you're booking, it's worth checking the Japanese websites for discounts or sometimes even complimentary breakfast if you sign up for a free membership. Tip number 7. Options to do laundry. At the Mitsui Garden, machines were coin-operated and available without a reservation. If there isn't a laundry room, or if it's too busy, you can search coin laundry in Google to find nearby laundromats. Dry cleaning shops for personal laundry that include intimates might be hard to find, but there are laundry delivery services you can try. Wash and Fold is a service that can pick up and deliver clothes within 1 to 2 days and provide great English communication via email. Tip number 8. Which neighborhood is best for you? Shibuya is the beating heart of Tokyo, full of non-stop action. But what if you're looking for a more laid-back neighborhood? For traditional Japanese history, temples, and a slower pace, stay in Asakusa. Great for families with older parents and young kids. Most of the shops will close around 8 p.m., allowing you to relax at night. Nearby Ueno Park is family-friendly with a zoo and museums. And Akihabara is close by for electronics and otaku culture. For luxury vacations with upscale shopping and dining with a great location, stay near Tokyo Station, as it's smack dab in the middle of all the shopping. It's especially great during the weekend where the entire main shopping street is closed for cars. Nearby is the Imperial Palace, and you get access to all the theme parks. It's important to know that high-speed trains like the Shinkansen all depart from Tokyo Station, Shinagawa Station, or Ueno Station. For modern pop culture, trendy shops, and a wild, youthful nightlife, stay in Shibuya. Nearby shopping is Omotesando and Dakanyama. Nearby parks are Yoyogi Park and Meiji Jingu. You have easy access to Roppongi, full of amazing art museums and installations. And you have access to Shimokitazawa, a hip neighborhood full of thrifting. For skyscrapers, lights, and salaryman nightlife, stay in Shinjuku. Jingu-Gaien Garden is beautiful and is worth a visit. You can see the iconic lights of Tokyo and the Godzilla. And it's good to know that both Shinjuku and Shibuya are 24-hour neighborhoods. There's something to do at all times of day, but it really comes alive at night, full of people enjoying restaurants, bars, and clubs. But staying near Tokyo Station is my second personal recommendation for its sheer convenience. And it's the location of our second hotel. It's perfect for the end of your time in Tokyo because you get easy access to the Shinkansen at Tokyo Station, and it's also a great choice to stay at the end of your Japan trip as well, offering convenient last-minute souvenir shopping and a straight shot to the airport. If you're a fan of Muji, this hotel is located on top of their huge flagship store. This hotel is the Muji Hotel in Ginza. Our room was on the 8th floor. The basement has a Muji diner, the first floor is a Muji cafe and bakery, the 2nd through 5th floor is all Muji shopping, and the 6th floor is a hotel lobby, and also a lounge where there are free snacks and drinks for guests. Breakfast was included in the price of our stay, but did not match the price of 3,500 yen. A lot of it was packaged Muji food, I guess to entice you to buy it downstairs. The room comes with a bunch of free stuff to take home, which I added it all up to be a little over $40. The design of the room is beautiful, but for the price I expected a lot more. I even got low season pricing. Tip number 9. How far in advance should you book a hotel for the best deal? This Muji Hotel and other hotels in Tokyo can reach crazy high prices depending on when you go. Start looking for hotels as early as possible because a lot of them will offer free cancellations or a pay later option. Most Japanese hotels will open reservations up to 3 to 6 months in advance, but popular hotels or Western chains can be open for up to a year. I like booking as soon as possible through the direct Japanese websites as they have farther booking windows. Once you have something booked, keep an eye out for price changes, better deals, or better options in your area. This is the best way to get the most out of your money. But don't stress too much. The latest I've personally booked hotels was 2 weeks before my trip and have been fine during these off-peak times. But be aware of peak season and public holidays like these. If traveling during these times, then I would definitely recommend booking as early as possible. Tip number 10. use a luggage forwarding service. The Muji Hotel and any other hotel with a front desk can help you with luggage shipping. This is super handy if you're hopping on the Shinkansen. Depending on where you're going, 1 to 2 days prior to departing on the train, forward your luggage to your next destination. Hotels are also able to receive the shipment and store your luggage even if you haven't checked in yet. From the Muji Hotel, it's a 10-minute walk to Tokyo Station, where we stopped by on our first day to buy all our Shinkansen tickets for the next 2 weeks, and where we also picked up our tickets for the Sunrise Seto sleeper train. If you're interested, we made a video all about that here. And that's the Muji Hotel in Ginza. So what's it like staying in a $1,000 hotel in Tokyo? Imagine choosing from an extensive pillow menu, returning to find every cord neatly wrapped with a microfiber cloth underneath, and enjoying complimentary Japanese sweets every night. This is the Mandarin Oriental Hotel in Nihonbashi. When we checked in, there were complimentary cakes, fruits, and champagne waiting for us. Our room was facing Tokyo Skytree, which was amazing at night, and the best part, the automatic shades. And this room is so big that our room came with a yoga mat. The room also had these beautiful yukata to lounge in, which I also wore to the hotel spa. The spa honestly made the stay, and I was sure not to miss a single morning. Every night, staff will stop by for a turn-down service, offering essential oils, bedside water, and a different traditional Japanese wagashi from Kei Minamoto. We were also offered a pillow menu, and on it were 12 different kinds of pillows with special features. Housekeeping was on another level as well. We came back to see our room meticulously organized. We were also greeted with many surprises, like this adorable red envelope with chocolate coins and mandarins. During my stay, I caught a cold and asked for honey and chamomile tea. But after that one time, the staff continued to stock my room with extra tea, honey, and water without me asking. Service in Japan is often seen as a point of personal pride. Thanks to the cultural concept of kodawari, a relentless pursuit of perfection even in the smallest details, and omotenashi, which embodies the art of wholeheartedly caring for guests. I saw this practice in all the hotels I've stayed in Japan, so imagine what happens when you're staying in a luxury hotel. Tip number 11. Use the concierge service at your hotel. A few months before our trip, I emailed the concierge desk at the Mandarin Oriental questions about the Sunrise Seto sleeper train. A very niche topic, but to my surprise, I got a reply the next day with step-by-step instructions and recommendations. I was completely blown away by this. They even offered to handle all the booking, which I declined as the instructions in the email were more than enough. I highly recommend emailing your concierge ahead of time about any difficult to book things in Tokyo, like fine dining, specialty museums, and anything else you can think of. It doesn't hurt to ask. They even asked me one evening if I wanted to visit the Pokemon Cafe, and that they can easily get me a reservation. I was shocked because you see people booking ahead a month in advance or waiting in line for this. The Mandarin Oriental is located in the Nihonbashi Mitsui Tower and directly connects to Mitsukoshimae Station through an underground entrance on the first floor. The hotel is located right next to the Imperial Palace, which is a popular jogging spot. The hotel tea room and lounge were also amazing and reminded me very much of Lost in Translation. Tip number 12. Use Google Street View to walk around the hotel before booking. This will help you get the lay of the land and show you interesting spots in the comfort of your own home. Save the places you want to visit so you won't have decision fatigue when you get here. If you're looking for fancy fruit parfaits, I highly recommend Senbikiya, a high-end fruit parlor serving delicious parfaits with the highest quality fruit. It's been around for more than 190 years. Nihonbashi is a financial district, but it's packed full of century-old shops that offer traditional crafts, gourmet foods, and more. Here, I saw many kimono-clad ladies going for afternoon tea and shopping. And that's the Mandarin Oriental in Nihonbashi. And those are the 3 hotels at 3 different price points. But I have some more tips for you. Tip number 13. Airbnbs can be a hassle if it's your first time in Japan. Many are located far from convenient train stations and won't have staff that can assist with luggage storage and shipping. In contrast, most hotels in Tokyo offer English-speaking staff, which can make your vacation so much smoother. Consider vacation rentals only if you're staying for a longer period of time and you're comfortable with a slower-paced neighborhood. Tip number 14. If you're looking for a unique hotel stay, then Tokyo is where you'll find it. You can find art rooms that are decorated by contemporary Japanese artists, Pokemon rooms, robot hotels, unique capsule hotels, and even ryokans in the middle of the city. If you look, there will be a specialty hotel meant for everyone. And lastly, tip number 15. Earn points or cashback on the hotels you book. Since you're already investing in a hotel stay, why not make the most out of it? I'm a big fan of using cashback websites to get a little extra from each booking. Hotel stays can be pricey, so the rewards really add up. Personally, I prefer Rakuten because it lets me earn AMEX points instead of cash, and this works out great for me since I can use these points on ANA to cover flights to Japan. And just to be clear, none of this is sponsored and I genuinely love the benefits. And that's 15 tips to help you book your hotel for your next trip to Japan. I hope you enjoyed the room tours and what different price points can get you. Please like and subscribe to support the channel and leave any comments or questions below. Support on Patreon is also appreciated, which will unlock extra Japan content. Thanks for watching and see you in our next Japan travel adventure.